selamat kepada Safrizal dan istri.
Semoga balik.
Semoga samawa.
Punya
banyak anak, punya
akur, bahagia sampai akhirat lah.
Iya.
Samawa ya. Siap. Lupa gedor terus. Gedor terus.
Don't let go, you gotta keep trying. You're this close, said it's alright. You can take it slow. Keep your head up high and let it snow. Open wide, it's worth more when you know you've tried. Don't give up.
Safrizal bin Raza Yusuf, saya nikahkan Kasmedi binti Samsul Tahri, keponakan saya, bertumbuh dengan mahar 17 mayang emas tunai.
Saya terima nikah Kasmedi binti Samsul Tahri, keponakan bapak ibu saya dengan mahar 17 mayang emas tunai.